Oh hey, welcome to AI Tech with Phi. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us and help us grow. And of course, it costs you nothing.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly advancing in intelligence and power. It is crucial to recognize that the term artificial in artificial intelligence is real. In just 7 years, AI will possess unimaginable capabilities, transforming industries and redefining our existence. Prepare to be amazed by the immense power of AI in 2030. Let's get started. Current capabilities of AI in 2023. Before exploring the potential of AI in 2030, it is important to understand what AI can already achieve today in 2023. AI has made remarkable progress, revolutionizing human-machine interaction. It excels in natural language processing, virtual assistants, language translation, advanced image recognition, and speech transcription. Beyond our devices, AI drives the development of autonomous vehicles, transforming transportation. Additionally, AI enhances user experiences through personalized recommendations, revolutionizing media consumption and online purchases. Its robust fraud detection capabilities ensure secure financial transactions. Virtual assistants powered by AI have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, simplifying tasks and providing valuable assistance. Moreover, AI empowers businesses with actionable insights, improving decision-making and operational efficiency. Integration of AI into smart home devices has transformed houses into intelligent ecosystems, enhancing comfort, convenience, and energy conservation. Furthermore, AI's application in robotics revolutionizes industries, enabling machines to perform intricate tasks with precision and efficiency. These examples showcase AI's capabilities in 2023, setting the stage for its even more significant role in shaping our future in 2030. How AI will revolutionize our world by 2030. 1. Environmental protection and disaster prediction. AI algorithms analyzing data from sensors, satellites, and historical patterns will detect early warning signs and provide insights for disaster preparedness, potentially saving lives and minimizing the impact of natural catastrophes. 2. Healthcare revolution. Cutting-edge AI technology will enable early disease detection, precise diagnoses, and innovative healthcare delivery. Surgeons will benefit from AI assistance, ensuring precision and reducing human errors. Virtual healthcare platforms powered by AI will provide convenient access to medical consultations, diagnoses, and treatments. 3. Economic development and job creation. AI is projected to create more jobs than it displaces, bridging the digital divide and promoting economic inclusion. Employees will upskill as AI automates repetitive tasks, focusing on higher-value work. New professions like AI trainers, data analysts, and ethical AI specialists will emerge, driving economic growth and fostering entrepreneurship. 4. Space exploration and robotics. The fusion of AI and space exploration will lead to new scientific discoveries as AI-powered robots navigate treacherous terrains, collect samples, and conduct experiments autonomously, expanding our understanding of the universe. 5. Enhancing security and safety. AI-enhanced surveillance systems will identify suspicious behaviors, aiding in crime prevention. AI-powered cybersecurity systems will detect and neutralize threats effectively, fortifying our digital infrastructure. 6. Sustainable energy and food production. AI will revolutionize farming practices through precision agriculture and smart farming techniques. AI-driven robots will perform tasks like planting, harvesting, and monitoring crop health, optimizing productivity and sustainability. Renewable energy systems will be optimized through AI algorithms and predictive analytics, enhancing efficiency and reliability. 7. Education of the future. Personalized learning experiences powered by AI will adapt to the unique needs, abilities, and interests of each student, breaking free from a one-size-fits-all approach. AI-powered virtual assistants will provide instant support and foster collaboration among students worldwide. 8. Social welfare and ethical considerations. AI systems will prioritize the well-being of individuals and communities, ensuring fair access to resources and opportunities. AI-driven solutions will tackle societal challenges, promoting inclusivity, transparency, and accountability. 9. Advanced personal assistance. AI-powered personal assistants will streamline tasks, manage schedules, and handle routine chores, freeing up time for more meaningful pursuits. They will synchronize with smart devices, creating a cohesive ecosystem that enhances our daily experiences. 10. AI in daily lives. Human-like robots and AI-powered assistants will intertwine with our daily routines, assisting with household tasks, cooking, and organizing. They will enhance convenience, productivity, and enable us to focus on what truly matters. As we look ahead, AI's advancements and potential across various aspects of our lives are evident. From protecting the environment and predicting disasters to fostering social welfare and ethical considerations, AI's impact will transcend technical boundaries and shape a better world. If you've reached this point, comment below with the word 100 to indicate that you've watched the entire video.